What is up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix alarm no sound in Realme C75x. So let's start the video. First of all, open clock app, and then here you can see your alarm. First of all, allow your alarms. After allow your alarm, then click on your alarm, and here you can see your ringtone. If you select none, then select your default ringtone. After select your default ringtone, then go back to your home screen and open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps, and then click on app management. Now scroll down and here you can see the option clock. Now click on clock and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the data at cache memory of clock. After clear the data at cache memory, then go back and click on system and update. On top you can see the option software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.